begin by connecting to our data. You'll find the data in the exercises folder in a subfolder called _data. And here we have an Excel file called Sales Pipeline Data 2019. Let's open the file and have a look at the data we'll be connecting to. We've got a series of worksheets, and on each worksheet we have a table. If we click on Table Tools, we can see the name of each of those tables. So in the first sheet we have the Targets table, and this is obviously the sales targets for all our sales reps. We have 1 year's worth of data, hence we only have a month column. Obviously, if we had several years worth of data, we'd need a year column for each of our targets as well. In the next worksheet, we've got the names of all our sales reps, and we also have the URL of the photo of each of those sales reps. And Manager ID clarifies the manager that each of them reports to. And then we have our managers in the adjacent tab. Exactly the same format, and for some reason they've all been assigned a manager ID, which is the same as their staff ID, so they all report to themselves on this particular system. Next we have all our client information, and then finally we have our main fact table where we have all of our leads. The client, identified by the client ID, the salesperson, identified by the staff ID, the source of the business, and then we have 5 stages that our leads go through, which are contact, qualified, solution, negotiation, and sale. And for each of those stages, we have a date and an estimated value. Obviously, the only value which is not estimated is the sales value if that lead is actually closed. So that's a look at our data. Let's now connect to it. So we'll close the Excel file and launch Power BI Desktop. So we'll close the welcome screen and then just click on the Excel button to get Excel data. And here's the file we've just opened, Sales Pipeline Data 2019. And in the navigator, we can see all of the tables that we were just looking at in Excel. And you'll notice that as well as the tables, we can also see all the sheets on which those tables have been created. And this is just a quirk of Power BI. It always shows you the sheets that the table is sitting on as well as the table itself. So of course we can ignore the sheets and just click on the checkboxes next to the name of each table. And we will need to do some transformation, but we'll do them one step at a time. So for the moment, let's click on Load. And since we'll be working on this file continuously, let's go ahead and save it. So File Save. And we can save it in that same data folder. And let's call it 2019 Sales Pipeline.